Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, let's just discuss what a tag is, how we can create them, and how we can assign to all our leads or all the contacts that are there in the inbox section. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my inbox section here. This is the column tags that we will discuss right now. So what a tag is, let's just understand. So tags is for your internal reference, right? So you have multiple leads, multiple people interacting with your bots and multiple contact details. But you want to segment your users and contacts on the basis of their interest. For example, one set of users are interested in one product category that you have. Another set of users are interested in the second product category that you have. So in that case, what you can do is you can create all the tags on the basis of your product categories. Let's assume you've got 3 product categories: bags, dresses, shoes. You can create 3 tags for these categories each, and on the basis of the interest shown by the user, you can assign that category tag to that user. So when you are planning a new collection launch in one of the category, you can make different strategies for those people who specifically showed interest in that product category. So this is one use of the tags. Another example could be, let's assume you've got a set of users who asked for further discounts on your prices. So when you have a sale in pipeline, you can create a strategy for those specific users who are looking forward to your sales. And that's how you can think of multiple scenarios where you can make the most of your tags. And now let's see how you can create the tags and assign them. So assigning is simple. So you need to click here, and all the tags that you have created will be shown here, and you can assign them from here. So now I'll tell you how you can create the tags. So just click on create tag here, the plus sign. So it will redirect you to the settings section. Under settings, there is a tab called tags. And now click on create tag, give a name to your tag, and then click on create tag. So this is the tag that we have just created, and this is how you can create the tags. Under inbox, you can assign those tags. And yeah, that's all about the tags. And that's it for today's video.